Hello, good morning. Thank you for taking the time to join our panel session on Cloud Plan 2010. My name is Bojan Simic. I'm Principal Analyst at Track Research, and the topic of our session today will be application acceleration in the cloud. We will look into technologies such as load balancing and traffic management and CDN, and how actually these technologies play in enabling both cloud providers and end-user organizations to deliver IT services from the cloud in optimal fashion. So with that said, I would like to introduce our panelists for today. We have Owen Garrett. Owen is a product manager at Zeus Technology. He's working for Zeus product management team focusing on new solutions and applications for their application delivery technologies across the physical, virtual, and cloud environments. He began his career at Zeus many years ago in their development team and ran several successful online ventures prior to that. Our second panelist today is Olfert Dubrovsky. He's Associate Vice President of Product Marketing at Crescendo Networks. Olfert serves as a AVP of Marketing at Crescendo, where he drives the roadmap and global go-to-market strategies for their Upbeat ADC product line. For the last 15 years, he has been driving product activities in a variety of companies, ranging from startups to large multinationals. He also spent years at Microsoft, where he enhanced his expertise in networking, security, virtualization, and interactive television. He also co-authored 4 security and acceleration patents and 3 scientific articles. And we also have Misha Cooperman. He's the VP of Operations at Cotendo. He has more than 10 years of experience in CDN and application delivery industry. His role as VP of Operations at Cotendo, he brings deep expertise in deploying and operating mission-critical global environments in the U.S., Europe, and Asia. Before joining Cotendo, Misha held senior operations positions in a number of leading companies in content delivery network industry. With that said, I would like to start with the first question, and for all of the panelists actually. And what's interesting is actually in what we're seeing in the market, that the emergence of cloud computing is driving new demand for application delivery solutions. But it's also changing the market landscape as there are new capabilities, new functionalities organizations are looking to deploy in the cloud environments that are actually different than what they were interested in when we were trying to do the same thing in the traditional physical environment. What is your view about the impact that actually cloud computing could have on application delivery market?
Well, Bojan, I think you're exactly right to say that cloud computing is driving the application delivery market. In fact, it's hard to think of a non-trivial app on a cloud infrastructure that doesn't have some sort of load balancing or application delivery system in front of it. And the biggest change that we have seen is mirrored with what cloud computing is doing in the infrastructure market as a whole. It's changing the way that people buy cloud computing. It's changing the way they buy application delivery, how they buy network infrastructure. And customers are looking to buy it as a service rather than as a physical device. And they're looking to buy it in forms that are portable and manageable to give them the sort of benefits that proponents of cloud computing proclaim.
Great. Misha, you want to jump in, and anything would you like to add to that?
Sure. I support that, that answer. It's pretty much, the same thing for us in the content delivery and application delivery industry. It really is driving the application delivery industry forward. A lot of the cloud applications are experiencing the same problems as your traditional applications. In fact, they also even seem more susceptible to performance problems, which is, causing people like Cotendo to come up with solutions to basically address the performance problems that are unique to the cloud application. Specifically, addressing the distributed nature of the cloud, always dynamically adjusting to where the queries are coming from, to where the requests are coming from. So you have to address a whole lot of different problems with the cloud application, but there's still almost the same, but very beneficiary to the industry.
Let me go next, Boyan. So, in my mind, I think the move to cloud, if I can think of an analogy that's similar